In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color of an icon from black to white and vice versa in PowerPoint. We all know how important it is to customize and tailor our presentations to fit the theme or color scheme we have in mind. Sometimes you may have an icon that you wish to change from a dark color to a light one, or the other way around. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to do that step by step. First, begin by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you have the presentation you want to work on readily accessible. Launching PowerPoint should be straightforward. Just click on the icon if you're using Windows, or find it in your Applications folder if you're on a Mac. Once you have PowerPoint open, navigate to the specific presentation where you want to change the icon's color. This could be an existing presentation or a new one that you're creating. Browse through your slides to find the one that contains the icon you plan to modify. After locating your desired slide, click on the icon you wish to change. It's important to select the icon itself instead of the text or any other objects that may be present on the slide. This ensures that any color changes you make are applied to the icon alone. With your icon selected, direct your attention to the top of the PowerPoint window where you'll find multiple tabs. You should see a tab called Graphic Format. This tab will appear once you've clicked on the icon, and it's here where you can access the settings necessary for altering the icon's color. Now within the Graphic Format tab, look for an option called Graphic Fill. Clicking on this option will open a palette of colors you can choose from. This feature allows you to fill the icon with any color that suits your presentation's theme, providing flexibility and customization. Finally, decide whether you want to change your icon to black or white. Once you've made your decision, click on the respective color in the palette. If you're switching the icon to black, click the black swatch, and similarly click white if that's your preferred color. And that's it, you've now successfully changed the color of your icon, giving your presentation a more tailored and cohesive look. Feel free to play around with different color options until you find the perfect match that complements your presentation. This method is quick and effective, ensuring that your slides always look polished and professional. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.